Hello friends, welcome to Tech Just Breathe YouTube channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can glow edges of your phone. So friends, keep watching this video. So friends, first of all we have to open Play Store app, and here we have to search Samsung Edge lighting. And we have to download this app. So hit on the install button to start installing this app. So now the app is installed on my phone. Now click on the open button to open this app. And now we have to click on choose app video. And here you can select any color. So let's choose this one. And here you can see it will look like this. So we can set this wallpaper on home screen as well as on lock screen. So I will doing this now. And if we go back, here you can see and let's open the app again. And we will choose this color and click on set wallpaper, and we will select it for home screen and lock screen. Let's go back, and here you can see. So let's lock the phone. Here you can see it's working. So friends, this is how we can glow the edges of any Android smartphone. So friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button, or you can subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. So thanks for watching this video.